So I'm here at Chapelwood, 4th grade, because today these kids and teachers invited me to do a science show on energy. But I couldn't be here without a stop at my favorite energy place, McDonald's. This talk is sponsored by the energy of McDonald's. So first of all, energy, a scientist says energy is the ability to do work. And a scientist says that work is when you use a force to move an object. A force can be a push or a pull. So I want us to understand those three basic things. Energy, the ability to do work. Work, when you use a force to move an object. And force can be a push or a pull. Thanks to McDonald's. Thanks for volunteering. It takes courage to volunteer. Get up here, kid. All right, stand up. Put your hands like this. Push. Is she using energy? Is she using energy? Yes, she is. But is she doing work? No, because no object is moving. Am I doing work? Okay, thanks. Ooh, that's a lot of energy. That was only an example of energy and work when she used a force to move an object. Now, what does this have to do with McDonald's? I'll tell you a quick story. Every morning, I pull up to the drive in McDonald's, and I go, "Good morning. Can I have a sunshine sandwich?" And then he looks at me like, "Oh no, not him again." "Can I have a sunshine sandwich?" She goes, "Sir, you have to order off the menu." And I go, "I'm a science teacher. Sunshine is on the menu." She goes, "No, it's not. What do you want?" I go, "Okay, I'll have an Egg McMuffin." And she goes, "That's more like it." But I said, "Do you know why an Egg McMuffin is a sunshine sandwich?" And she looks at me with a look on her face like, "Not this again." And she says to me, "You're going to tell me anyway, aren't you?" And I go, "Yes." So think about this. The sun sends energy from the explosion of hydrogen to the earth. Then we have green plants who transfer that energy into plants. Then we eat the plants. Every time you eat a plant, you're eating sunshine. Or if you eat an animal that eats a plant, you're eating sunshine. Energy from the sun. Think about it. My Egg McMuffin. 2 beautiful buns made from wheat. Wheat comes from a plant that grows, that gets its energy from the sun. On there is some butter. That butter comes from milk from a cow that eats grass that gets its energy from the sun. Butter is sunshine. And there is an egg. That egg from a chicken that eats corn, that's a plant that gets its energy from the sun. So even the egg, the ham, my beef, you made it all like this. The ham comes from a pig that eats all kind of things that come from the sun. And the cheese is from milk from a that eats grass from the sun. So I challenge you. There is not one thing you eat as food that did not come from the sun. Oh, yes, there's always one. Yes, sir. What do you think something you eat that did not come from the sun?
Mushrooms.
Mushroom. I love how you're thinking. Mushroom is the fruit of mycelium that lives in the ground in the dark. However, mushrooms eat dead plants. And where do plants get their energy? Go back to sleep. But I like how yes. So, in all of today, in our energy talks, I want you to think about the sun. As a matter of fact, let's start with the sun and energy. So check this out. Oh, this is kind of scary. I hate this part, but we'll do it anyway. I hate this part. Does anybody see some balloons here? This balloon, thanks for volunteering. Come here, it takes courage to volunteer. Come here, good. Put these goggles on. Okay, we good? Do you have insurance? Good. Hold this. This is very dangerous. So, hold it up higher, away from your face. There you go. I should have made that higher, but I didn't. So, you want to back up or hit the, okay. And there's a button here close on it. All right, ready?
There we go.
Quiet on the set. This is pure oxygen. Now, if you go to a hospital or any place that says oxygen in use, flammable, do not smoke. You don't smoke, do you?
No.
Don't put fire around oxygen. 3, 2, 1. Hey, that was not that big. Did anybody see a flame? No. That was oxygen. Oxygen does not catch fire, but this next one does. I can't remember which one is the dangerous one. I can't think. All right, hold that. Put your goggles on. Quiet, please. So, if you get quiet, we can do a lot more. This is pure hydrogen. Hydrogen is what the sun. Now, the sun is not on fire. It's actually hydrogen atoms coming together, boom, and you have what is like a nuclear reaction. There's no fire because there's no oxygen in space. However, what comes off is energy, and the sun is so much bigger. If I'm the sun, the earth is the size of this button. So there's a lot of hydrogen. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is the OG gas, the original gas of the atmosphere. Here we go.
I didn't want to reach there.
You don't worry about what I do. Here we go. Hydrogen. Let's see if this one has a color and a flame. 3, 2, 1.
It's not popping. What? I need to run out.
Yeah, luckily, I have another match. Got back. Here you go. Hydrogen, the OG of the universe. So, we did it with pure oxygen, nothing happened. We did it with pure hydrogen, and we got a good fireball, and we had a nice color. Now, cover your ears.
I don't want this.
Quiet, please. All right, Madam. In this one, I have a little bit of oxygen and a little bit of hydrogen, which should make the hydrogen do really well. Cover your ears, everybody. Cover your ears.
This should be covering your ears.
Let's see what happens. Energy, the ability to do work. Here we go.